Okay, Cindy has decided this pot needs a little something, and it does. Got one lone tulip trying to come up there. What are those behind there?
Hyacinthus?
Hyacinthus?
I don't know how to say it.
They're fixing to bloom. I see a couple of flowers trying to come up. She's adding some soil because it really packed down over. And she's going to take these tulips that we put in this top of the box. She's going to put them down there carefully. Got a lot of roots on that little thing. Two in the front, or no? You got 4 more actually. You're wondering why those are coming up so easy is because I just replanted them out of a different pot earlier. Weeks ago.
Got some roots.
Yeah, I know. And they didn't have that many when I put them in there. That's amazing.
That one don't.
That one don't.
It's trying.
You want some, well, those have been fertilized already.
Yeah. I lost one. Oh, there it is.
Must be that big one.
Okay.
Those will be pretty in a couple weeks or in a week. They'll pop out. And now she's on her line at Lowe's earlier. Coreopsis, I guess. Gold and bronze. And those are going to be nice and high. And
they only get 12 to 15 inches.
Yeah, so they won't go above
which it'll
the
be
window.
perfect. Then doesn't block my window.
Yeah, we had
Coleus
here. We had to keep cutting it back because we couldn't see over top. And that's where that's where the sink is. Got our little horny toads moving around. They're very friendly. They hardly move. It's amazing.
They're so weird.
Now those you do need some.
Yes, I'll come in and do it.
So you got room for all 4, huh?
Yep. That's the plan.
And later on when these
Handsies
are done. My brain is not working. We've had a hard day today. We'll be able to Replace those with something else that goes a little lower. You're doing a fine job there, babe. Jax and Champ. Jax and Champ. They're not fine.
Old and babies. Old and baby.
Yeah, 13-year-old and 6-month-old. And now fight is on. We've been waiting to get this. Well, for a 13-year-old, he's pretty spry. For a 6-month-old, he's not very smart. Don't tangle with the old man. Hey, let's take a look at y'all. Finished. Ah, yeah, I blew a tulip off today. Yes, I like that. That is very nice.
It'll look good once they'll even up.
Good job. I didn't do anything other than move a bag of soil around here.